Welcome to Electronica India and Productronica India, where innovation meets opportunity.
This show is fantastic to promote our PCB.
That was a great opportunity for me to find good suppliers and manufacturer.
Good experience, and I'm happy about so many visitors we have here. Cheers to the show.
Cheers to the show.
Cheers to the show.
Cheers to Electronica Productronica India 2025.